Hey everybody, Tom Glaser here. And by far, the number one takeaway from interviewing the happiest people I personally know for my book, Full Heart Living, was that happier people connect more deeply with other people. They also connect deeply with themselves. Well, what better way to do those two things? What better way to connect with yourself than by preparing a delicious, nutritious meal, and to connect with other people than by sharing it with others? So I'm just sharing a series of healthy recipes for you. Today I'm doing a chickpea curry salad or spread. As a mostly vegetarian, I'm always looking for good sources of protein. This is it. So this is 2 cans of garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, and I'm going to put these in the food processor. Oops. And I'm just going to lightly pulse it. You don't want to puree this, you just want to break those down a little bit for the texture. That should just about do it. Next, I'm going to take, this is about 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Sometimes I use more, but that's what I've got. That's what the recipe calls for, and that's what I've got here. And next I've got curry powder and turmeric, and I've got about a tablespoon of each. I'm always looking for ways to get more turmeric into my food. Turmeric is a really phenomenal ingredient. Good for the heart, good for the mood, all kinds of things. This is about 1.5 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm just going to whisk those together. Add in a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of ground sea salt, or this is actually pink Himalayan salt. Both of those just to taste. Whisking. Then I'm going to fold in, this is pecans, finely chopped, and it's about 1 ounce or so. This is 1 stalk of celery diced. Fold all those in together. Alright. So get all the beans in here. Just mix this up really well. Takes a few good turns. That is all there is to it. I'm just going to dip a brown rice cracker. It's delicious. A little bit of sweetness, a little bit of spice to it. Very nutritious, very good for you. Easy peasy. Make this at home if you like. Your assignment, should you choose to accept it, is to have a conversation with someone you know and love about how food has contributed to your connections with yourself and your connections in your relationships to other people. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.